Flower! Aba, may flower ah.
Sige na, anak.
Yeah, you can just keep talking to her.
Ay, marinig siya na kasi hindi marunong si Tito Lord. Dali. Sige, kay mami na lang tayo halap kay mami. Sige na, bibigyan ko yung Jala 8. Jala 8, Jala 8. Asin nga yung Jala 8 dyan, yung Jala 8 ko sinabi. Bigyan kita ng Jala 8. Ano ito? What's this? Sige na, bibigyan ito. Sige na, anak. I-answer. What's this? Sige na, bibigyan natin. Flower. This one. This one.
Bye.
This one.
Slowly. Huh?
What's this? Come again.
Mermaid.
Summer. Talaga? This one. What's this?
Mermaid.
This one.
Mermaid.
This one.
What? What?
This one. What's this?
Orange.
Orange, very good.
This one. This one, Rain. Oh. This one.
Pia.
Oh.
Carrot.
Flower. This one again. What's this?
Cardon.
Anak, look at this one, no? What's this? Sige, sabi mo muna. Sabi mo muna yun. Sabi mo ano yun?
Water.
This one.
Again.
This one, look. What's this one?
Here.
This one.
Mermaid.
Summer.
Kaya pala siya. See? Apo ko. Kaya tuwan-tuwa yung isang ano doon. Tuwan-tuwa yung isang baliw doon kasi nga yung Queen Elizabeth, nasaan yung flashcard? The Queen Elizabeth was pronounced as Mamir, Mama Mirna. It means Mama Mirna. Nadinig nyo? Mamir. Okay. So yung mami niya, yung si Kate, tignan niyo, busy sa pag-internet. Yung classmate niya, friend niya, busy sa saan?
Only one. What's this difference?
Busy sa kakatext. Kaya siyang jelly niya. Ayun si si Miss Michelle, busy sa pag puhugas.
Emote.